If you're going to be doing a lot of wiring, you should get you a crimp set. This is the Ulziko. And it comes with some wire cutters. Even has a little stripper right there in the end. Comes with a pair of gloves. Comes with a manual, a business card, inspector number 6, and a full set of crimps. They're real simple to take in and put out. A set of O-rings in case your O-rings ever go out. You set this for work and put in whatever size die you need. They pop right in and out real easy. Then you put your crimp in there and start pumping it up. Once you get your wire crimped, just hit release and it's done.